You sit down to work, and 3 hours later, you've accomplished nothing. That scattered feeling isn't laziness. It's your brain begging for a better system. The key to unlocking your focus is the Pomodoro Technique. This strategy uses 25-minute sprints to rewire your brain's approach to work. So, how can a timer change your relationship with work? Let's break it down. Number 1. The 25-minute brain hack. The Pomodoro Technique is brilliantly simple. Work with intense focus for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, you take a longer 20-minute break. The ticking clock flips your brain into deadline mode, forcing you to ignore distractions. 2. Why this will work. This works because it's rooted in biology. A 25-minute sprint fits your brain's natural energy peaks. Every time you complete a sprint, your brain gets a small hit of dopamine, the reward chemical. This trains your brain to beat procrastination. Stop letting distractions control your day. Try 1 Pomodoro right now. It's long enough to make progress, but short enough to start. Tell me in the comments how will you apply it. Subscribe for other videos like this.